Today we're going to be covering Graves into Gardens. This is a really fun song. I'm going to cover some of what my left hand is doing, what my right hand is doing as well. And then further on in the lesson, we'll have a full play along in the key of G, so you can play along with me there if you'd like. And as always, the chart is in the description, and you can find more free lessons as well as courses on guitarman.com. So check that out if you haven't already. And let's jump in. So I'm in the key of G. This song's originally, I believe it's in B, which would just be capo 4. And then the same positions that you're going to learn now. That's really high to sing. So for me, it's easier in the key of G. And that'll also kind of help just show what your basic positioning is. Again, capo 4, same thing. You'll be all set to play with the original track. So as far as this lick, the easiest way to do it is to play an open G. And you'll use your pinky on the bottom string, the little string, the ring finger on that low E. And then if you can, you actually want your ring finger to mute out your 5th string, and that way you have a G chord. And then these two guys, for your lick, are going to go into an A minor 7 position, or you can think of it if you know the C chord. That's where these two guys are for the C chord. So 1st fret of the 2nd string, you're going to skip the 3rd string, 4th string, 2nd fret with your middle. It's your really pretty G sus chord. Kind of a G open into that. Now this part of the lick that you hear in the intro and the chorus and some of the turnarounds is accenting 1, 2, 3, so it's pretty easy to hit. 1, 2, 3. And then let me jump to my right hand because this song is in 6/8. Most songs are in 6/4, this one's in 6/8, which gives it kind of a swinging back and forth sound and pattern. If you haven't really done 6/8 before with your right hand, it's down, down, up, twice. Pretty easy, but it's just a different feel if you're not used to it. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and that'll get you in 6/8. So what you'll do is play that strum pattern with the open G, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Right here, your accent, 1, 2, 3, and start over. 1, 2, 3, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 1. So that is all really that's happening with that lick. This lick you'll also find in God So Loved. I did a lesson on that. Very similar thing you can do with an open G here. Or if you want to experiment even further, sometimes you'll see me use my thumb to get the G bass note and mute out the 5th. It's the same thing. So you can either do this. This is probably what most people prefer. I just like to use my thumb because I can get it up there and still use my other fingers without a problem. As far as other chords, you're just in the G chord family. And so all of your normal chords like D would apply. E minor, you can use an open E minor, or you can use a G over E. I'll use that a lot for E minor instead. You can use a C2 instead of C. Just to keep everything easy and keep these 2 fingers just on those bottom strings for most of it. And sometimes I'll use what's called a C slide for my D chord. And this is just a different sound that I like a lot. So C, moving it up 2 frets into a D. I also have my pinky on the bottom on the 5th. And sometimes you can actually take your middle finger off because that's a D as well. You're doubling up that sound. Have it on. And that, of course, will get you to a C pretty quickly. Just go back to where you came from with C. And then from C, your G with the sus is in place. Again, your other chords are in the G chord family. No really curveballs there with those other chords. This song, again, with God So Loved the World, it's very similar chord structures and shapes and chords, even that C slide into D. I'll use that as well. So I think you have everything you need to try it out, so let's play through the song together. I searched the world, but it couldn't fill me. Man's empty praise, treasures of faith, never enough. Then you came along, put me back together. Desire is now satisfied here in your love. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you, Lord. There's nothing. Nothing is better than you. I'm not afraid to show you my weakness, my failures and flaws. Lord, you've seen them all, and you still call me free. 'Cause the God of the mountain is the God of the valley. There's not a place your mercy and grace won't find me again. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you, Lord. There's nothing. Nothing is better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you, Lord. There's nothing. Nothing is better than you. You turn mourning to dance. You give beauty for ashes. You turn shame into glory. You're the only one who can. You turn mourning to dancing. You give beauty for ashes. You turn shame into glory. You're the only one who can. You turn graves into gardens. You turn bones into armies. You turn seas into highways. You're the only one who can. You're the only one who can. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you, Lord. There's nothing. Nothing is better than you. Oh, there's nothing better than you. There's nothing better than you, Lord. There's nothing. Nothing is better than you. Oh. seas into highways. You're the only one who can. You turn graves into gardens. You turn bones into armies. You turn seas into highways.